So your W-4 can be a very, very helpful tool in the terms of tax planning. So here's what it does for you. Your W-4 lets your employer know how much to withhold from your paycheck whenever they're processing payroll for you. Now, if you are a business owner as well, so you're working your W-2 job, but then you also have your side hustle, you can use this document to manipulate how much is taken out of your W-2 paycheck to kind of help offset some of what you'll owe from your side hustle. Or if there's someone else in your household, let's say your spouse, that's going on your tax return with you, you can have them have a little bit more withheld. So there is a line there that just says an additional amount. You can just plug in an amount there and have that withheld, and that's going to help offset your end of year taxes that you're going to owe. Now, here's something else that you may not know about the W-4. It does not have to match your 1040 filing status. And here's what I mean by that. If you decide to go single, you can actually have more withheld from your paycheck. And this is single on your W-4. You can have more withheld on your paycheck, but then when you file your tax return, you can actually go married filing jointly. And all of that money that you had withheld will help offset what you owe as you're married filing jointly, and you can actually receive a refund, which what this ultimately means is you paid the IRS too much money. Now, I'm not for interest-free loans, so I'm not saying do that so that you can have more withheld from your check. But this could be for an individual that just has an issue saving money, or there's a big event that's coming up at the beginning of the year and they want this refund to help kind of pay for that instead of trying to save it on their own. So there are options, there are things you can do. But again, your W-4 does not necessarily have to match the 1040 that you file. There's nothing wrong with that. You're A-OK to do that. Something else that you can do is you can actually say that you're married filing jointly and you have a plethora of exemptions and different things on there to minimize how much is withdrawn from your check. That can be done as well if you plan to make estimated tax payments throughout the year, or your business is going to operate at a loss and it's going to reduce your overall adjusted gross income. So those are just a couple of things that you can do to really manipulate how much is being withheld from your paycheck when you have a W-2 earner in the house, even for those that have a side hustle and have their own business. Guys, I hope that helps you. We'll see you next time.